Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? What if I told you that you could leverage viral content from Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, and turn it into a profitable YouTube channel? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to find, edit, and monetize trending Douyin clips in the CTA. Let's get into it. Douyin is a goldmine of viral content. It's packed with engaging, fast-paced videos that captivate audiences. Since Douyin trends often hit Western platforms later, you get a head start by sourcing trending content before it even goes viral elsewhere. Here's how to grab those hot clips. Use the Douyin app. Browse trending hashtags and hot categories. Use third-party tools. Websites like Snaptick, TickMate, or screen recording tools can help you download videos without watermarks. Pick clips that evoke strong reactions. Emotional, surprising, and curiosity-driven content works best. CTA niche thrives on engagement, so aim for videos that make viewers want to take action. Having the right script is what separates average videos from viral videos. Your script needs 3 key elements. Hook. Start with something shocking, intriguing, or relatable to grab attention. Example. You won't believe what happens at the end of this clip? Content. Keep the pacing fast and the story engaging. Add your commentary, background info, or extra context to make the content unique. Call to action. Always tell your viewers what to do next, whether it's subscribe for more content, click the link below, or comment your thoughts. A strong CTA can significantly boost engagement and monetization. If you're unsure where to start, you can use ChatGPT to help generate viral video scripts. Raw clips won't cut it. You need to transform them into engaging content that YouTube loves. Trim and cut unnecessary parts to keep the video fast-paced. Add text overlays to emphasize key moments and drive engagement. Use voiceovers or AI narration to provide unique commentary and avoid copyright issues. Now, before you start posting, let's talk about YouTube's reused content policy, because uploading someone else's content as is won't get you monetized. YouTube requires that your content is transformed in some way. Here's how to ensure your Douyin videos qualify for monetization. Add unique commentary or voiceovers. Explaining or reacting to the content adds originality. Combine multiple clips. Editing together multiple clips into a themed compilation makes it more engaging. Use captions, text, and effects. Enhancing the video with overlays helps it stand out. Provide context or insights. Share relevant facts, storytelling, or humor to make the content your own. Here's a sample shorts I made earlier.
Forget Messi and Ronaldo. These robots are taking over the soccer field in China. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech. China has been leading the way in AI and robotics, and these machines are no joke. In fact, some of them use advanced neural networks to learn strategy, just like real players. The ultimate goal? By 2050, scientists want robots to beat human world champions. Crazy, right? So what do you think? Will robots take over soccer, or will humans always have the edge? Let us know in the comments.
Now, how do you turn views into money? YouTube ads, YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn from ads. Affiliate marketing. Link products in your description and earn commissions when people buy. Selling digital products. If your CTA niche promotes action-based products like online courses, guides, or digital templates, you can sell directly to your viewers. Brand deals and sponsorships. Brands will pay for exposure once you build an audience. That's how you can make money with YouTube automation using Douyin clips. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more money-making strategies. See you in the next one!